It's January 12th, 2011, and we're in our second snowstorm and about to let Aster out the door. Hopefully the movie camera exposures will be okay. There he goes. And, see how deep it is. He's actually in Casey's winter coat. It's hard to even get down the steps. Whoops. Uh-oh. Come on, honey. Come this way. He's trying to run through it. Well, we did get a foot of snow. You can see how high it is on Aster. Well, I think he's attempting to to pee. I guess he is. He's not in the right spot. I don't think he cares. We'll give him privacy and start it in